Hey everyone, Pacey here from Pacey AI. Today, we're diving into one of the most game-changing AI productivity tools of 2025, Reclaim.io. If you're drowning in calendar chaos or struggling to protect your focus time, this tool is about to become your new best friend. Before we jump in, smash that like button, share this with your productivity-obsessed friends, and subscribe with notifications on so you never miss our daily AI deep dives. So, what exactly is Reclaim.ai? Imagine an AI assistant that automates your scheduling like a superhero for your calendar. Reclaim intelligently analyzes your priorities, deadlines, and existing commitments to auto-schedule tasks, meetings, and even deep work blocks. No more time wasted on manual planning or double booking disasters. This tool dynamically reshuffles your day based on urgency, ensuring you stay laser focused on what matters most. Here's where Reclaim.ai truly shines its smart guardrails. First, it automatically detects scheduling conflicts and resolves them in real time. Second, it prioritizes your tasks based on deadlines and importance, so urgent work never slips through the cracks. Third, it fiercely defends your focus time by blocking distractions and intelligently buffering meetings with breaks. The result? You reclaim hours every week without lifting a finger. Let's get you started. Step 1, connect your Google Calendar. Step 2, set priorities by tagging tasks as urgent, flexible, or deep work. Step 3, let Reclaim work its magic. Watch it auto-populate your calendar while adjusting dynamically as new tasks arise. Pro tip, use the off focus time feature to batch creative work and sync it with tools like Todoist or Notion for seamless workflow integration. Boom, instant productivity upgrade. In a world where time is our most precious resource, Reclaim.ai isn't just a tool, it's a productivity revolution. Whether you're a developer, content creator, or remote worker, this AI sidekick will transform how you conquer your day. Love this breakdown? Hit like, share your favorite tip below, and subscribe to Pacey AI for daily AI guides. Until next time, keep innovating and reclaim your time